Hello, y'all. It's Beth here. Welcome to the revised week 9. I hope all of you have power by now. I'm afraid some of you don't. Please let me know. I'll be glad to work with you. These are the tentative deadlines if we don't have any more snow or any more power outages. Week 9 was going to be when your research paper would be due. Now it's rough drafts because we lost week 8, did we not? So your rough draft now is due on Wednesday and shared through Google Docs with your group members and with me. Nothing is submitted through Moodle at this point. That's Wednesday, and then I'm expecting you to peer edit at least 2 of your group members' rough drafts by Sunday of this week. I'm hoping by this you will get some ideas from your classmates and be able to give them suggestions. Then week 10, which is the last class week of this term, will be your research paper. It will be due on Wednesday. Then week 11, I've got 2 short exercises due. I've got plenty of examples and explanations for you, a self-evaluation, and also exploring different modalities for your thesis for your research paper. Both of them are due on Wednesday of finals week. There is no final in this course. You can look at all the information, and I will be giving you more as you go along. You might be thinking of the different modalities exercise as you write your research paper. It's just we live in a world now where print is not the only means of communication. So you might want to think of the visual, the auditory, other ways of communicating. I've got plenty of information here, and I'll be talking to you more about it. All for now. Let me know if I can help.